Everyone, open page number 84. If the balance of these gases disturbs and their amount increases, heat of the sun is absorbed more than its need. This rises the temperature of the earth and results into global warming. Okay, uh, on page number 83, we read that the gases which are greenhouse gases which are present in atmosphere. So what they do, they absorb some of the sun's heat to keep the earth warmer. And these gases are found in a very little amount in the atmosphere. The little amount of these gases, if these gases has little amount, but they have a high capacity to absorb much of the heat which is coming through the sun. The balance of these gases should not be disturbed to maintain the constant temperature of the earth. But if the balance of these gases disturbs and their amount increases, so heat of the sun is absorbed more than its need. This rises the temperature of the earth and results into global warming. Now coming to greenhouse gases and global warming. Many human activities such as burning fuels, cutting trees, spreading fumes, etc. produces different dangerous greenhouse gases. These gases are usually named as chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs. These gases continuously increasing the temperature of the earth and hence global warming. So, beta, what is global warming and greenhouse gases? That there are some certain human activities, for example, burning fuels. When we burn some fuels, for example, when we burn petrol, when we burn coal, so fuels are called those substances, for example, petrol, coal, these are called fuels. So when we burn fuels, when we cut trees, when some fumes are spread and other activities, they produce different dangerous greenhouse gases. When human do some activity, for example, they burn fuels, they cut trees, they spread fumes and other activities. So during these activities, they produce different dangerous greenhouse gases. And these gases are named as chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs. We can call CFCs chlorofluorocarbons. And these gases continuously increase the temperature of the earth and hence the global warming. This results in global warming and it increases the temperature of. So what is global warming and bad effects? With the rise of the temperature of the earth, climate is also changing its behavior. This may give worse conditions for us to live. Summers are getting much hotter in some places and winters are getting much cooler. This heat also increasing the sea level due to melting of ice and glaciers. This condition threatens especially the people of low-lying coastal areas. Due to global warming, some crops are also badly affected, such as sugarcane. Excessive rainfall may also ruin the crops. Okay, so what are the bad effects of global warming? With the rise of the temperature of the earth, when temperature rises in the earth, when temperature rises, so climate also changes its behavior. Climate also changes what it was doing. And this may give bad condition for us to live on earth. It means it gives bad effect on for us to live on earth. For example, that if we talk about Karachi, so since 4 to 5 years, summers are getting much hotter than before 4 to 5 years. And same with the winters. Winters are also getting much cooler than the years before 4 to 5 years. And this heat is also the heat. Obviously, when we talk about summers, so summers are also getting much hotter than before. So due to summers, when it is getting hot, so it increases the sea level also. How? If summers are there and it produces a lot of heat and we are feeling much hotter. So atmosphere is also getting much hotter. So due to that, sea level also increases. How? That if we talk about ice and glaciers, due to heat, due to a lot of heat, due to a lot of uh, heat produced during summer, ice and glaciers melt, and due to which water level of the sea increases. And this condition threatens especially the people of low-lying coastal areas. The people who live near the sea, they are affected through this. And due to that, what happens that they are facing many difficulties. For example, due to global warming, some crops are also badly affected. For example, sugarcane, because that due to rainfall, if rainfall is much in amount, if rainfall comes much in amount, they are excessive. So what it does, it ruin the crops. It damages the crop.